Hello, this is a video of the Bachmann Octopus ride kit that is a HO scale, and I assembled it last year. The kit's not an easy build. For an avid modeler, it shouldn't be that hard, but for a beginner it might be a little tough. A lot of the parts needed to be sanded or modified or drilled a little bit. Got to be careful with all these lines. They're just thread. Up here, this will bind if you're not careful. It just uses a kind of a counter-rotating gear system and these reduction belts. The instructions are not the best. I'm just using a 9-volt battery connection to run it. This is our kind of a Christmas setup, and it's not used a whole lot, so that works for us. I may go to a lithium, 2-cell lithium pack with a switch, but for now I just connect it. So yeah, pretty cool addition to your layout. If you're looking for something that's unique and automated. Bachmann also has the Kiddie boat carnival ride kit and the the Spider carnival ride kit. I may try to grab one of those and have them as a future project. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.